Hi, my name is Gary Crowley and I'm the Site Engineering Manager at AbbVie's Cork site. With patients at the heart of all we strive for, we are proud that AbbVie delivers a world-class pipeline of discovery, production and supply of critical medicines.
There is a great sense of job satisfaction here at AbbVie because you know you are positively impacting patient lives. The site recognises good people for great work, and I personally find that rewarding.
As a site, we have been very fortunate to have been involved in many of AbbVie's key products, including the treatment of hepatitis C. Cork is now widely recognised as a go-to site for new and innovative products.
AbbVie Cork plays a vital role in the complex international supply chain, which involves several regions across the world, and I work very closely with my colleagues in the Netherlands, Germany, France and in the USA.
Having the right people definitely helps, particularly when we need to get projects completed quickly and efficiently. That allows us to deliver quality treatments to patients, something that's always at the back of our minds.
We are still a relatively new company, but with a global presence. So that makes it ideal for people who wish to travel, broaden their career development, or relocate entirely. So there are a lot of options here.